What's up YouTube? My name is Vic and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing, first impression video. Another Invicta watch. Look, I said a few videos ago, Invicta was going to be very featured on this channel, for the next few videos coming up because a sale that they had, and I saw some designs that I really liked. And Invictas, generally, you can get them at really good prices. So I did kind of go trigger happy, and I picked up some Invictas. This guy here, I don't know if this is like a copy and paste job of anything. The closest thing it reminds me of is the Seiko Dracula, which is actually a grail watch for me, a watch that I do hope to get this year. I just can't find one at the price that I like. Also, the Dracula just doesn't come up for sale very often. There might be like 4 or 5 at the most on sale at one time. It's not a model that Seiko makes anymore, or at least a colorway that Seiko makes anymore. I do believe that's a missed opportunity on their part because the color combination that's the sweetest thing. And that's what I like. Red is my favorite color, so the little touches of red that are on that watch, it just really makes it pop to me. This guy kind of resembles the Dracula, so this is why I bought it. Now, I'm not buying this as a way to substitute the Dracula. I still wholly intend to get that watch, and I will get that watch this year. My watch buying strategy for this year is to knock off a few grails. So the Dracula is one of them, and I do hope to get an Alpinist this year. Not the Sarbo 17, which is like the one that everybody loves. I actually like the newer one that came out with the white down the green leather band. That's to me is really nice watch. Not knocking anybody who likes the Sarbo 17. That's also a great watch, beautiful watch. Just not the one that catches my eye. So before I ramble too much, let's get into this unboxing, and I'll give you my first impressions. All right, folks. Got my trusty blade. Let's cut into this. Yeah, I cut the box. No big deal. It's actually just like the outer piece that goes over the box. This is to the side. So I see Invicta has changed their boxes. You don't get those soft yellow ones anymore. These are more cardboard-like. Before, they were more cushiony. They weren't exactly like leather or anything like that. Let's take this out. Let's get a laugh at this price tag real quick. Jesus. All right, I did not pay that much for this watch. I had this watch for, I think it was a whopping $60. Let's take it out. There's a whole lot of plastic on this guy. Jesus Christ, are they trying to smuggle this across customs? Holy crap. Holy cellophane Batman. Alright, I'm going to pause so you guys don't see me struggle with this. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So I got all that plastic off. This thing is like being smuggled across by a cartel. But you can see the dial. This is actually a really attractive watch. You don't get that overdone Invicta branding on the side, which I actually really appreciate that. The dial is actually pretty clean. You get an Invicta logo there. It looks like that's a 24-hour clock. You have your running seconds hand down here. No seconds hand on the dial. Dial does have a texture to it. The hour markers are the teeth, but only the first 4 actually have the red in them. That's okay. The crown, well, looks like the nuclear symbol to me. That's cool though. Not signed. Also, just whatever. Signed buckle. You get the silicone strap. This actually feels really soft. First impressions on this guy. This is attractive. I like this. I like this a lot. And for the price I paid, I don't feel guilty at all. I'm gonna put this guy on my wrist so you guys can see how it looks. All right, guys. So you can see here what it looks like on my wrist. It's big, but it feels small. If that sounds strange or not. I believe this is a 50mm watch, but because the way the case is designed, you see how the lugs kind of curve down. it actually hugs my wrist. This actually makes it very comfortable. The strap feels great. The watch is, this is a really nice watch. For 60, 50, 60 bucks that I paid for it, I'm very happy with this purchase. Uh, I don't think there's any kind of coating on this. Also, I believe it's just a straight up mineral crystal. So you can see what it looks like here, guys and girls. Um, this is not a bad purchase. Yeah, I like this guy. You know, it looks very legible. I don't know if there's any loom, so I will throw in a loom shot, somewhere around here, to so you guys can see what that looks like. But this is not a bad purchase. You do get a couple dial color options with this guy. There is an orange one. I believe there's a yellow one too, or purple, or I know there's a green one also. So there's a few dial colors that you could choose from if you like this watch and you decide to pick it up. Listen, first impressions on this guy, hey, not a bad pickup at all. Very comfortable, very nice. I'm gonna wear this guy a lot. It doesn't scratch that Dracula itch for me. I still completely intend to pick that watch up. That is a grail watch for me, and that is one that I do intend to knock off my list this year, along with the Alpinist. And there's a couple others that maybe, at least one more that I maybe be able to get. But because of what that one costs, I may not be able to put that on my channel. Or maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But ladies and gents, I'm going to conclude this video here. If you made it to the end, thank you for watching. Don't forget that like button, subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. I'll see you on my next one. Peace. Hey, YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.